Scene is safe. My name is Ken Rob, trained first aider. Can I help? Bystander. Yes, sir. What happened? Patient's collapse. Patient is alone. First aider to check first. Consciousness.
Hey, sir, are you okay? Hey, sir, are you okay? Hey, sir, are you okay? Unresponsive. Sir, yung patient is unresponsive. Please call the ambulance. Okay, as I check the breathing and pulse. Okay. No obstruction. Okay.
For breathing and pulse.
Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Sir, the patient is no pulse, no breathing. Please follow up the ambulance. The patient is cardiac arrest as I'll do the CPR.
1, 2, 3, start!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Nose, blow. Enter, take your nose, blow. Position ulit. Sige na kayo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1.
Enter, take your nose, blow. Take your nose, blow, and then start. Compress.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3.
Enter, take your nose, blow. Enter, take your nose, and blow. Start, compress.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4.
Last cycle, take your nose, blow. Take your nose, blow. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5.
Huwag nang bitawan. Huwag nang bitawan yung head. Dalawang kalere sa carotid pulse. And elastically, long listen and feel. Huwag ipit yung nose. Tanggalin yung pagkapit ng nose. And then, count. 1,
1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010.
Okay? Positive pulse, positive breathing. Ano na gagawin?
Okay, please follow up the ambulance. Pasensya po natin na-recover po.
Pakilala.
Yes, sir, ako po si Billy, ang tumulong po para ma-revive na. Okay, sir, natataas ko po rin po kayo na paliwan na. Tapos yung isang kamay po siya ilagay natin dito sa may isili mo. Yung paa mo po, tumbin na tayo, po sa living natin. Sir, yung lalagay kita sa recovery position. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sir, check ko po kung dali natin natin.